Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Cesar. Welcome to this video, and in this video I want to show you how I am building a website for the cryptocurrency niche. And basically I'm building this website to be an affiliate marketing project in the crypto space. So this is my wealthy affiliate account. I'm going to refresh this so you can see. And if you want to buy a domain, you can go to wealthy affiliate, click here in websites, and then click here in site builder, and you have here the options. You can use a free domain, you can register a domain your own, and also you can buy a domain. You need to put here the keywords and then click here and add my cart, so you can buy a domain through wealthy affiliate. So in a video I showed you that I bought a domain, cryptocesar.com. So I want to show you, this is going to be my website for the cryptocurrency niche. So right now I have made this page an exclusive deals page, and I am promoting Binance. And Binance is a cryptocurrency exchange that is currently the largest exchange in the world in terms of daily trading volume of cryptocurrencies. So if someone click here, create an account here, they're going to go to Binance through my affiliate link, and I'm going to show you, this is the Binance page. So if you want to become an affiliate, you can click here, affiliate, so you can become an affiliate for Binance. Also, I have the Nexo wallet, and you can get $10 in Bitcoin through this link. And what is Nexo? Nexo is the world's largest and more trusted lending institution in the digital finance industry. So I am promoting this wallet, and also I am promoting unstoppable domains, and this will help you to make your cryptocurrency payments simple and build centralized websites. So I have here my link. So basically this video is an update about this website that I am building from scratch, so you can do or use these strategies for your affiliate marketing business. If you have any questions, you can put that questions in the comments so I can respond and help you guys. And that's it. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.